Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI for coding in 2026. This year, we've moved way beyond simple copy-pasting. Claude is now an autonomous agent that can directly edit your files and run tests, so let's get right into the 4 best ways to use it. 1. The professional way, Cursor, IDE. In 2026, most developers have switched from standard VS Code to Cursor. It is a fork of VS Code, so it looks and feels the same, but Claude is built into the core engine. Composer, CMD plus I. This is the game changer. You can describe a feature like, add a login page with Tailwind and Firebase, and Claude will write the code across multiple files simultaneously. Tab autocomplete, Claude predicts your next few lines based on your entire project context, not just the file you have open. Chat, CMD plus L. You can ask questions about your specific codebase, like where is the API logic handled, and it will pinpoint the exact lines for you. 2. The terminal way, Claude Code, CLI. This is the official Anthropic tool that runs directly in your terminal. It is highly agentic, meaning it doesn't just suggest code, it actually does the work. Installation: just run curl fsslh https://claude.ai a bash on Mac/Linux or the PowerShell equivalent on Windows. Capabilities: you can type Claude in your project folder and say, find the bug in the checkout logic and fix it. Claude will search your files, edit them, and even run your unit tests to verify the fix before it finishes. 3. The web way, Claude Artifacts. If you are prototyping a frontend or a small React app, use the Artifacts feature on Claude.ai. Instant preview: when you ask Claude to build a component or a website, a window opens on the right showing a live, functional app. Real-time iteration. You can look at the preview and tell Claude, make this button red or add a responsive sidebar, and it updates the live code in seconds. 4. Claude Projects, for large scale. If you prefer the Web v.